We're going to paint this proper brand blouse with these proper brand BDU tactical type pants, MACV style, and we're using the black camouflage, ultra flat colors. Here we are using burlap, again, just like I did on the canteen pouch, but just bigger strips of it. So with this here, I'm not trying to put a whole bunch on, just light coats. So basically just going over about twice, because I'm not really trying to cover up any kind of existing color. All I'm doing is adding black stripes to this. We're doing a little different than when we did the canteen pouches. And then basically we're just going to work our way all the way down the pant legs. Okay, both the blouse and the BDU tactical pants are done on the fronts, so we're going to do the same thing on the back side. So it'll be the same process, but we're not going to go through that. We're going to move on to the next project. I'm going to show you my Condor survival pack, and this is going camo, MACV style. Once again, we're using the camouflage black. I think it's an ultra flat black. And there you have it, MACV-SOG style camouflage. Do it yourself. Everything turned out really well. Now it does look a little darker, looks a little more pronounced or brighter on camera, but when you see it in person, it doesn't look as bright. But maybe in the future, I might go ahead and fix these lines a little bit, make them a little more blend in with the vegetation, because these are kind of just straight stripes. But like I said, on camera it looks like that, but you can see little flakes here and stuff. So maybe I'll cut the burlap next time, do a little bit better. But hey, this is my first time. Turned out really well. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, I'll see you guys. God bless you and thank you for stopping by. Bye.